What's up guys, this is Ben with Joe's Gaming Electronics here with another highly requested video. If you think this repair is too difficult, you could always send in your Fitbit and we'll fix it for you. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to replace the back cover and heart rate monitor on a Fitbit Blaze. It's common after long usage that the heart rate monitor will stop working and the back cover could get damaged and scratched up. And I'll be showing you how to fix this. So let's get started. First, we'll want to remove these 4 T2 screws from the back cover. Next, you'll want to use your plastic pry tool and gently pry off the back cover. Once you have it off like this, you'll want to be careful because there's a ribbon underneath and you don't want to tear that. So now that we have it off, we can see it's connected to the main board here and it's connected to this port on the heart rate monitor. So you'll want to go underneath and unclip that, and now you could remove the ribbon. Now that we have it off, we'll go ahead and replace this back cover. And at this point, if you have a replacement heart rate monitor, you could use that in these next steps, but we're changing only the back cover. So we use the same module. You're going to want to remove these 2 plastic nubs first, as they're holding the heart rate monitor in place. So just go with the flathead, get underneath them, pop it off. And the next one, just like that. And then there's this cutout in the plastic that we could get underneath with the flathead. So get that heart rate monitor off. And make sure you get this gasket out too. Now that we have the back cover off, we'll just set this aside. And we'll grab our new back cover. So to get it back on, first we're going to want to put this gasket back onto the sensor. Just like that. And then place the heart rate monitor onto the new back cover. Next we'll grab the soldering iron and we'll use it to melt these little nubs back in place, and it'll hold the heart rate monitor in place. So just press it down and pull it, and then press this side down and pull it back, and now we'll hold it in place. Now we'll just repeat the process in reverse and we'll put it back together. You're going to want to make sure to make this easy and make sure this ribbon is flat like that. And make sure this clip right here is up as well. And we'll push this ribbon back in place. If it doesn't go in right away, you can go with the flathead and just push that ribbon in place like that. And then press the clip down. Now, we'll put the cover back over and make sure this ribbon folds over. Just like that. And all that's left is put our 4 screws back in. And there you go, your back cover is looking good as new. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding this repair, please leave a comment below. If you need any parts listed in the video, we do sell them on our website at www.joesge.com. Thanks again and have a fantastic day.